COVID-19 vaccine doses have been lost, expired, or wasted in Texas since the rollout began, and that number has surged over the last several months.
This comes as state health officials report demand for the vaccine is climbing as cases and hospitalizations spike. KXAN investigator Avery Travis reveals why some of those doses in Central Texas were wasted.
For months, the pharmacists at Terrytown Pharmacy were giving out vaccines nonstop. So when appointments slowed down in April and May,
it was a little surprising because we thought that the demand would be there for quite a while because the demand was so fervent in the beginning.
That's when state health officials began urging providers to give a dose to anyone who wanted one, even if it meant throwing away the rest of the vial.
And it was a really hard shift from saving every last drop, using the right syringe to get the dose out of it, and then all of a sudden opening a vial and wasting 10, 11 doses.
Before May, only 20,000 doses had been reported as lost, expired, or wasted. But in the last 3 months, that's jumped up to more than 400,000. At first glance, Travis County appears to top the list of areas with the most vaccines wasted since May, according to the state data obtained by KXAN, in large part due to thousands of doses reported as wasted by a state health facility in central Austin. However, a spokesperson for the department explained the majority of those doses actually spoiled when power outages hit 2 other state facilities in Houston and San Antonio. To prevent this from happening again, the state agency says they moved their inventory to a location with more monitoring, plus they're now keeping less inventory on hand and doing more direct shipments to providers. Meanwhile, the pharmacists in Terrytown say, as a smaller operation, they've been working overtime with scheduling to ensure they rarely waste a dose, but also don't turn anyone away, as demand for appointments increases again.
And all those people that came in that wanted a certain one that we may not have opened on that day still came back and got their vaccine because we made sure that before they left they had access, they had transportation. If not, we helped them find a place that was close by as well.
Avery Travis, KXAN Investigates.
It is important to remember the roughly 420,000 wasted doses are just a portion of the 21 million shipped to the state since December.
Austin Public Health Operations accounted for nearly 2,000 wasted doses in the last 3 months, one of the highest rates in Central Texas. They cited low demand as one of the biggest reasons, saying APH is committed to getting doses into arms, even if that means we have to, unfortunately, open an entire vial to vaccinate one person. You can check out a map of vaccine waste online now at KXAN.com.